Today we got a 1984 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk, a real classic restoration with a couple upgrades and mods. Come take a look, I'll walk you through it. Starting up at the bow, we have a OEM re-chromed brass nav light with the LED bulb upgrade, original brass Norman pin. Color-wise, this is a mid-tone gray that we've been using that's really similar to the original Desert Tan, but just a little cleaner and very unique. Re-chrome brass I-rings, D-rings, new OEM Moonstone rub rail. Moving back at our all-new teak interior, this is all Burmese teak, recreated to be very similar to the original with a few modifications to make it a little bit better. Got our Yeti 65 in navy, reverse mounted, so it's actually more like a built-in cooler on a skiff. It's strapped down to the boat as well, just a way to mount this so that you don't have to fight with the cushions to actually get anything in the cooler, and it's a full 90-degree opening. Custom color combination on the sea deck from Castaway Customs. Goes really beautifully with the oiled teak look and matches really nicely with this paint color. All original railings, stanchions that have all been re-chromed, new windshield, beautiful cushions on this boat. These are a silicone option that we're doing now. That is kind of the future of a marine upholstery that's designed to last a very long time as opposed to having to be replaced every 3 to 5 years. This stuff is incredibly stain resistant, chemical resistant, burn resistant, tear resistant. It's really an amazing product that's built by a very, very talented craftsman who builds these for us. This customer also opted for the bow cushion in the front. Just snaps in with 3 simple snaps. This is not designed for highway use, but it's great just to pop on the boat for the day or slow speed trailering, and you can take it off really, really quickly with 3 snaps and have that classic, beautiful piece of teak. Console-wise, it's all original with some beautiful teak accents. These are all custom made in-house, including the doors that have upgraded. Very similar to the original design, just a nod to that, but upgraded on the latching system to make it much better and easier to operate as opposed to what it was originally. 3 pull switches, we got the nav lights, LED console lights, which are these silver bars across the bottom, and the bilge manual override, and then a USB charger here as well. Baystar steering, all original steering wheel with a new Burmese teak cap. Garmin 943 XS on the dash, giving you the brain for the engine data, all the fuel burn data. The radio is controlled from there as well. He has the Fusion black box that's networked on the GPS screen, so we can control everything on the GPS screen with the JL 7-inch speakers on the side of the console. Moving to the back, we got the RPS seat made out of Burmese teak. Always love the simplicity and elegance of this basic design that gives you flexibility for seating. You can still stand up there and drive, and people can be facing rear if they're watching, skiers or tubers or whatever, or you can just socially kind of be able to sit here. He did opt for the rear bench, something that's unique to us that we designed in-house and built in-house for this Montauk. It's removable, so it can pop right out on 4 stainless clips, but really feels like it's a part of the boat. Nice big thick cushion all the way across, and it's offset like this so that you can really have easy access over the swim platform to get in and out of the boat. Also gives you something to hold on to when you're coming on and off the boat from the swim platform. The third thing it does is it actually hides the Tucci shade blade, which is tucked up under here in a Sunbrella bag. So when you want it, you can put it on the boat, but you're not stuck with it all day long like a bimini top that's kind of in the way. And it's just right hiding back here, and nobody really ever know it's here until you pull it out. Moving down the bottom, this customer did opt for the Hullmax upgrade. It's a clear anti-fouling coating. It's relatively new to the market, and it's a great option for somebody who might want to keep the boat in the water for extended amounts of time, weekly, monthly, seasonally. It's amazing because there's no performance loss like a traditional chalky anti-fouling paint, and the recoat times are much longer. It's just all around a game changer for any size boat, and we love it for the classic whalers. Yamaha F90, great motor for the 17 Montauk. Speeds are low 40s, really nice mid-range performance, really fuel efficient, and plenty of power for the 17. Stainless steel PowerTech prop on the bottom, matched for this setup and engine height. Gotta love the MMD Burmese teak swim platform, must-have option on all boats, in my opinion. All this is sitting on a custom fully welded aluminum I-beam trailer from Road King. They build these specifically for us in the classic whaler hulls. These beautiful oversized tires, radials that are fully balanced, a torsion axle, vortex hubs, all welded, no adjustments. It fits this boat only full-size spare in the front. In addition to that, it's got a spare hub. So if you're somewhere remote, you blow a hub, you're not scrambling trying to find the right part, which is very hard to do. So you're really set to go wherever you want to take this boat. On top of that, you got a swing tongue. So this breaks away, giving you an extra 2.5 or so feet, making this boat fit in any standard 20-foot garage. All right, so that wraps up this 17 Montauk build. Jake, thank you so much for the build, my man. What a great heirloom to have and for you guys to really enjoy as a family. Just a really, really, really classic, elegant boat. Everybody else, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.